Aloha mai kako. I am Jamie Kapuokalani o ke kukui hael, and I am the kumu of Kuhai Halau o Kapuokalani o ke kukui pa o Lapa Kahiko here in Los Angeles, California. Our halau is excited to be hosting the 4th annual Kawaikapuokalani Hewett Day Hula Festival, and we look forward to sharing videos on our YouTube channel from now, May 1st, through May 19th, featuring our sister Kuhai Halaus. In addition to celebrating our kumu Lehua Kawaikapuokalani Hewett and his lineage and his legacy, as well as Kawaikapuokalani Hewett Day that's celebrated every year on May 18th, we are excited this year to have the theme Hano Hano o Maui and continue to spread love and light to the island of Maui. Come back every day to see a new video, and we look forward to interacting with you online as well as seeing you in the Zoom workshop. Mahalo!